a G. My wallet. I'm so not deal with her. I'm see her on screen record and I just shake me. Anytime I see Britt on the screen, I just shake my head. I say, Father God. Me hear all Britta. Me hear all the first time I see that boy up on live in my talk about beg them something now. And me hear Britta say, as some me know say, our head go and come. You know me hear Britt say to him say, but you not beg for yourself. If you want something, you beg for it. Don't use me and beg. Beg. Me say, what the fuck? When me hear she said that on the live, me say, rasclat. Me hear when she tell him, say, beg for yourself. No use me and beg. Beg for yourself. And that me hear she tell him. And from this so, you don't realize that this boy, I use the girl. I'm not talking about the realest youth this. And on the boats him, the realest youth. I see I try to help Britt this, that. A real youth. And this loud mouth man on the internet, they pan, yo, wanna help him, help her. A real youth. It does sound good. Wanna sick. Wanna sick people. Them for lock him up. Uno sick. Uno sit down on a peggy man pan the girl on a peg. When I tell me see Britt make all one video when she say, y'all like to put people together on the hear my rasclat. So them say Britt no sense. She have sense. It's just that her head go and come. Sometimes she's herself, sometimes she's not. But to me here she make a video and say, y'all people like to put people together on the internet. I was like, okay, you know what's going on. You know what's going on. So them say you're idiot. I'ma watch him very disrespectful. I'ma still like share video him when them go do them must nails or tour or whatever. And him depan, can you stop video me? Can I take the camera up? And she say I video everything. The day when Britt left the hotel without them even know. I see him come on live again. I tell the whole on up on TikTok say Britt video everything. The room, everything. She don't trust nobody. And me hear you come on live and talk about when you put the worm in a Britt. And Britt did nervous and what? Una cloud chaser. And it just hurt me. Say una take advantage of her. It just hurt me say I take advantage of the little girl. Clout here do this for. All clout. And it's sad. And it's not funny. Me never ever laugh to nothing what him and Britt do on the internet. Because it's not funny. Me not find it funny. Everything wanna take for joke. One another start take life serious. And everything what is joke to you is dead to a next person. Una always say me too serious. I'm supposed to be that way. Because me not gonna make someone feel like someone can come disrespect me and talk to me a certain way and step. No, bro. Me gotta always stand up for myself and no one cannot walk over me. Una take everything for a joke. Me not find it funny none at all what that boy I do to her. Me don't find it funny. And he's not okay with her. It not right for them. Can't do that. It's not funny. The whole on sit down on boots and a boots. Me not like that. Hello? Me not like them something there. I wanna smoke and drink around her and them look something there. I wanna not take care of the girl and that is not taking care of her. Everybody depend. Me reading no comments, you know. Oh, Britt, you still want some company. Oh, Britt. On a lead, on a peg them on to them each other. On a take everything for joke. Everything on a take for joke. Me know most on and say, oh, no, the Britt. She alright. She this, she that. You know what somebody from the community tell me say? I talk to somebody from down there. Them say, Shay, you see when Brittany was Brittany Goff, she live in a one era, she no walk down the road there. Them say like she live right there so, she never walk down there. Them can never see her down there so. The people them say no, or them know say Brittany is not herself. When them say Brittany start walk down on the road, they normally she go that way. And she start to walk that way. I saw them tell me. Them say you could never catch her walk down Panda Road there. In the community park she live. She walk up and when them started she walk down, them I said, no man. She not alright. In that the boy then a Britt type. Wally, them tell me that. Them said that the boy is not Britt type. I saw you know say Britt not in her right mind. It's not fear type that. It's not her type. Cause when I talk to the person, them say Shay, Brittany man, them have rich and have money. And a fear type of man them there. You have to drive big vehicle. Money man. Me hear the boy come on live come say, me used to look Britt and she never look for me. And some me know say I take advantage of her. Because you come and say you used to look Britt, but you never used to look for you. So you're supposed to know say, Britt not in her right mind if she look for you now. Me listen to everything. I'm telling you something. So me listen to one wanna talk. Me listen to understand, not listen to hear. When me hear him come on live, come say, me used to look Britt and Britt not look for me. What I tell you say, what I really tell you say, Britt don't in her right mind because you're not Britt type. Trust me, you really are not Britt type. So you're supposed to know, say, listen now, the girl not in her right mental state. When me hear him say that, it shocked me. Me not watch him live, you know, a screen record, me say. Me not watch none of him live them. A screen record, me see. And when me listen to the screen record and him say, me used to look Britt. And Britt no look for me. I say, what? What? So if you used to look Britt, that tell us say, Britt is not. You're not Britt type. But now you realize that you're not in a right state of mind. So now you're running. Now you're running.
So access denied. At least she's coming outside. Coming outside here.
No, you're running.
I said at least she's coming outside.
Who access denied say at least she's coming outside. She's trying. Trying
People
what?
like you.
Trying what?
People like you were over there.
Trying what? Access denied? Trying what? A people like Uno, what me just talk about a while ago. Uno.
As a female,
people like Uno as a female, I got type something like that.
Low, that you really think so that boy, where when you write off a car is like that you put on him head. And that face them.
Being miserable? What do you mean being miserable? Britt is not miserable.
The miserable
girl, you not get the point of me actually ever put across. You know.